Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. They'll also get emailed a written tutorial. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. On screen, you're seeing the host code for July 2018. Feel free to pause the video and write it down. Anyone who shops with me using this particular host code gets this particular card kit that I'm sharing with you today in this video. This is one copy of the card kit. You get two, so you get to make two cards. So there's lots of cardstock and lots of designer series paper. That's Tropical Escape there. I'm coordinating this featuring the Tropical Chic stamp set and the Tropical Thinlit dies because I'm hosting a class, an online class this month. And this is the class. I'm featuring 3 exclusive videos and you get those products. You can see what I've done here. I have stamped the thank you sentiment from the stamp set on my die cut piece, and because I didn't get a great impression, I went over with my marker. Now the big piece of designer series paper and the small piece that I put on first, they match. So the designer series paper that does not match is always the second one up. And you'll see why in a second. So this is how you adhere the designer series paper. And then we're going to do a valley fold and a mountain fold. And we're going to get in there with our bone folder and really crease those bits down. So here's my oval, stitched oval sentiment piece. I put dimensionals on the bottom half and I'm adhering that right to the front there of that focal piece. Now I'm using my favorite adhesive, which we don't sell anymore, so I'm just using it up because I'm not made of money, you know. And I've adhered that right to my Granny Green Apple card base. So I do give you an extra piece of Whisper White to cut the flowers and such out, just in case you did want to partake in the online class. And I'm just showing you here some of the images that I die cut out. I know that it seems like a simple card, but and of course, if you don't go with this class, you certainly can adhere any flowers or leaves that you might have. The leaf punch might work. So don't feel obligated that you have to purchase this card class, but I would really appreciate it if you would consider it. I wanted to thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.